What's up, my friends? Connor the Car Guru here with Wilson Motor. I got 3 new awesome trucks here for you this week. Are you ready for this? I got 2 F150s. I'm sure you're all really sick of this Raptor, but it is a new arrival, so I wanted to officially do a new arrival walk around video on it. I got a sweet 2017 XLT, a 2017 Raptor, and a 2019 Ranger over here. So we're gonna go over with all 3 of them. XLT, Raptor obviously, and XLT Ranger. So let's start over here. We'll do our XLT F150 here first. Back it out so we can walk around it and see some of the awesome details. I lied, it's not an XLT. What am I thinking? It's a Lariat. I'm an idiot. It's a Lariat, not XLT, Lariat. So keep that in mind. XLT Ranger, Raptor, Lariat F150. Okay, so first off, so you can see we got awesome fuel aftermarket wheels. Fuels are some of our favorites here at Wilson Motors. So people who've bought them from us in the past, they usually will stick these guys on them because they look really cool. Ton of tread left on all the tires. They look great. Not having to change those out anytime soon. They're big. It's also, obviously you can see that the truck has been lifted. So it's up probably 6 inches. That's pretty good. Walking all the way around though, it's in great condition. Once again, here's a tire right here. You see lots of tread. Lariat, not XLT, it's a Lariat. It is an EcoBoost. I believe it's a 3.5 EcoBoost. I can verify that down there, down the line in a little bit. Back here, you are gonna have the blind spot radar in the back lights here. You also have your 4 sensors on the bumper right here in the back. There's your hitch down there. Hookups and for the tire. Hookups for your trailer. Got a nice, sweet bed liner in there. Probably done here at Wilson Motor because it's a good looking one, and ours are always good looking. Wilson F150 Lariat. It's a Lariat, not an XLT. Tires here once again, great tread. All the way around, beautiful truck, very beautiful truck. Here's just a little scratch there. Your inside here, you have a light gray interior for your leather rather than black, which is kind of nice. Not gonna be super hot, so that's really nice. You got carpeted floors with carpet mats. Definitely can get some rubber ones if you wanted to. We got a little extra storage down in here. Back here, these guys do have heated seats in the back. You also got the 2 USB chargers and your 110 outlet there, and also a 12 volt up on top there for additional charging. Here's your backs into your chairs for storage. Stuff here on the sides. You do have your cup holders right here as well. Push that in and they come out like that. If you didn't notice, it does have the electronic guy that comes in and out as you open the doors, so that way you can see that. Coming up here, so we look at miles. You got 111,000 miles. There you go, now you can see it. Let us turn this bad boy on. Glad I got the fact that it's a 2017 correct, even though it's not an XLT, it's a Lariat. It does have cooling and heated seats down here. You have all your climate controls, all of your radio controls here. It does have navigation. Boom, right there. You can see where you're at. That's pretty cool. Audio, your climate can be done on here on the screen as well. You can hit your phone for Bluetooth and additional settings on there as well. You got your 4-wheel drive with a rear differential option. You got the trailer backup assist, trailer brakes down here. You got a CD player, which you don't see most of the time anymore. The 12 volt charger and also a 110 outlet there. You can see your cameras here, and you actually have the cool bird's eye view, which is awesome. So you can see the truck up there on that side. You have the sensors actually go all the way around. Look, there are sensors on the front bumper that I missed, so I can go around and check those out in a second as we're going out and around. Here on your steering wheel, you have your controls for your screen up here. You have the audio controls and your phone controls for the Bluetooth, and then here's your cruise control on this side. Over here you got your lights and your heated mirrors. You have your folding options in, and all your mirror options on that side. Here's your windows, your save seats, your controls for your pedals down here. There is indeed a sunroof, and this will open all the way up. I stopped it so I could open up that back all the way back there, and you can open up the sunroof all the way there. You have that back window there too, and it opens up too. So you have that option. We'll just close that guy back up. That's never a good sound. Little plastic piece that kind of scary. All right, and that is this truck here. So XLT, no, I'm sorry, Lariat, it's Lariat, not XLT. Lariat F150, 2017 with 110,000 miles. Okay, moving on to our Raptor here. We did just get a new windshield put on it today, so we have the tape on it for one more day. Came in with a cracked windshield, so we got that all fixed up. Here on the front, kind of cool. I don't know what the sensors are on this one. I was looking for the sensors. On the front, you have a still bumper there. If you saw I did a little reel on this one with a red XLT truck here the other day. It's kind of cool with some information on the Raptor. So you have a still bumper in the front for off-roading. It does come with a steel plate down there on the bottom to protect the undercarriage there. And you also have the hookups, obviously, for if you need to get towed out of a situation. Does have your front camera right here as well. And it's kind of it's a very bold, the Ford grill there. One of my favorite grills. Like it's bold. It's going to let you know who's driving behind you. You got your bright LED lights here, and also once again you got these big fuel tires. Awesome, they're beautiful, a lot of tread left on them, great for off-roading, and that's exactly what the F-150 Raptor is meant for. It's an off-roading truck. So let us walk around it real fast. Obviously you have your camera in here. There are sensors here in the bumper for parking, so that way it's not going to smack into things here in the front there and help you out while you're off-roading on small rocks and things like that. You do have your obviously your air ventilator there to help your engine not get too hot on the top and the sides here. Bumper here, or this guy for your getting up into your foot to get up in there. I can't think of what the word is, to get up into the vehicle. It's made out of steel as well, so it's great for accessibility getting into the truck, and also it will actually protect the truck if you happen to be off-roading and hit that. It's going to protect it from getting all busted up. There are a couple lines here with scratches there on these guys as well. Just a ton of tread on those tires. Here you have a Raptor. There's your backup camera and light there as well. Pulling this guy down. Here's our back of the truck with an awesome bed liner in it as well. Pretty sure it was done here at Wilson also, because it's a good bed liner. We do great bed liners here. Same thing, you got your steel bumper back here too. Here's your hookups there. You got some lights on there. If you're backing up, you can kind of see those too. Additional options while you're off-roading. And overall, here's your little code to get into the vehicle if you want to, if you leave your keys in there. Most Fords have that. Here in the back seat, you got your black interior. You got the carpet flooring with rubber mats in there. Seats obviously both go up, same thing. You got this one that comes down. There's your cup holder. Put that back in. You do have the heated seats back here in the back again with the two USBs, and then you have your 110 out there, and then a 12 volt right here. Storage in the seats and in the windows here on the side. Up here in the front. A couple different options in here in this vehicle over than the other one. One being the fact that you have 6 auxiliary switches to add off-roading options there, which is kind of cool. You do have the sunroof up here on top again, so I'll just bump that open right now while it's working there. You do have your back window there, automatic window again with this control right here next to the auxiliary switches. We're looking at 83,000 miles, 979. You have the heated and cooling seats in there again. All your climate controls, all your media controls. You have your screen. Let's see if the navigation pulls up. It's thinking. Boom, navigation pulls up on this one too. Look at that. Here's your mirror. You have that same option over here with the bird's eye view while you're backing up. You have the sensors all the way around the vehicle to help you with parking. You have your auto start stop, your hazard lights, your slip control, and downhill assist. Here's going to be your 4-wheel drive there, and then your rear differential option, your trailer backup, and your trailer brakes down here. You have additional USBs and storage in this area right here. obviously your cup holders. You have your lane keeping assist, and you also do have on this one here with the cruise control, you have the adaptive cruise control, so it's going to be catching those who are in front of you. You also have these paddle shifters for gearing up and down if you want to do kind of a little more of a manual mode. All your cruise control, this is going to be your options for your screen here in the middle. This is going to be your phone options, your media and phone options right here on this side, and a heated steering wheel right there, I believe, as well. Over here you have your lights and your pedal controls. These are going to be your heated mirrors. Your mirrors can fold in automatically there. And then your windows and your seats. That's really all there is to this car. You got a lot of storage in here too. Huge storage bin. There's your glove box over there. So a lot of cool options here on this truck too. And you can see why everybody loves Raptors. I love Raptors. The truck is not going to be staying here very long, and there's already been a couple of deals working on it. People have a lot of interest in it. So if you're interested in the Raptor, you better call in here real fast. 435-752-7356 is our number here at Wilson Motor. Last but not least, we have here our little Ranger. It's an XLT. It's a 2019, and it only has 5,000 miles on it. So it has barely been used at all, and it is awesome. It's in great condition. Let's walk around here a little bit. So you can first see that, there are a ton of life left on these tires. Have not been driven on at all. They're probably the brand new tires when the vehicle was first started, because like I said, there's only 5,000 miles on it. Up here in the front, you can see we have the sensors down here on the parking brake here, or on the bumpers. You can see that in the front. You got your Ranger over your grille here with the Ford emblem. There are some scratches here on the hood, but nothing's very deep, easily can be buffed out. Continue to walk around here. We'll pull up another tire down there, the Ford wheel there. Like I said, it's an XLT Ranger. It does have the camera there in the front. I think both this and the Raptor does, but the Lariat truck does not. You got your step obviously in there, which is an auto, it's not going to move. It's just going to be your average step. Continue walking around. It's an EcoBoost. You have your 4 sensors on the back here for your parking stuff. I don't actually know what that is. Cool option, maybe it's a little storage. Oh, yep, that's what it looks like. Additional storage back here. You have the bed liner in there, so you don't have to worry about the truck bed being scratched up or anything like that. You have your big Ranger back here on the bottom, so everyone's gonna know what you're driving. Here's your trailer hookups and for your spare tire underneath. And there's hookups there for towing. You can continue walking around here. One little small ding right there, but here's your back seat. So you have cloth seats in this one because it's an XLT, and it looks like this is going to be a manual open, so that way you're aware of that. You do have 2 charger options, or USB chargers there, and then you have the 110 outlet right here as well. There's no pocket on this side, but there is a pocket on that side. Here's going to be your cup holders right here. Maybe. How does the whole chair decide to pull out? Well, I don't even know how to pull this out because the whole chair is moving. That's really weird. But hey, you can move your whole chair like this. Maybe that needs to go in there. There's your jack back there in case you needed a jack. I don't really know why that's moving. Cup holders are going to be in there, but we have to figure out why we can't open that up. Here you have your cup holders on the left side here as well. Up here in the front, let's take a look here at this guy. Put this key in because it is warm. Let's get the air going. Wow. Let's blast that air. It's hot and sweaty. Okay, so like I was saying, we got 5,361 miles. So this truck has barely been driven. It is brand new, and it's awesome. Over here, you have your climate controls, and you have heated seats here in the front. You have audio controls here in the middle. Here's your hazards. You can do audio on the screen. Your climate can also be done on the screen. Hook up your phone for Bluetooth, and you have additional apps there. Being the fact that it's 2019, it probably does come with the Apple CarPlay on there, as long as you hook up your phone to the USB down there, and also Android Auto. Here you have a little bit of a storage right here. Here's a little glasses holder. Obviously your normal guys right here. You're gonna have all your audio controls and your phone controls. Here is your cruise control. And let's see here. If I turn the cruise control on, it looks like it does. And it has lane keeping assist. You can tell that by right here. I don't know if it does have the adaptive cruise control, but I know the lane keeping assist option is in this truck. You can play around with that right here. You can turn it off with this option right here. And then obviously your blinkers. There's gonna be your wipers on this side. Here's gonna be your lights right down here. And light in the back of the truck. Here's your windows, locking and unlocking. You have a 12-volt option right there and right there too. Your auto start stop if you're gonna be doing your 4-wheel drive and your trailer as well. And here's your parking sensors. You want to turn those off. And that's about everything in this truck. So it's a good little truck if you're looking for something small and speedy. So once again, you got 2019 Ranger XLT, a 2017 Ford F150 Raptor, and a 2017 Ford F150 Lariat. Lots of options, great trucks. I would love to help you guys out. If you're interested in any of these, please feel free to give me a call. 435-752-7356 is the number here at the dealership. You can also reach out to me here in the comments. You can reach out to me on Instagram at Connor the Car Guru, on Facebook at Connor the Car Guru, or there's a link down below for my link tree. So feel free to reach out there. Several options. If you are interested in one of these trucks, reach out to me. Let's make an awesome deal happen for you. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.